everyone, a very good morning to you all who are watching my video from that side. And today we are going to do a lecture which is based on word power, and it is our second lecture. Today I am going to give you my lecture bilingually because it is difficult to understand the meaning of the words only in English. That's why I had decided to give you lecture bilingually so that it is easy to understand. Today the first word which I am going to take is Dexter. Most probably you haven't listened about this word earlier. So before starting the meaning and all, first the word Dexter is originated from Latin language. What is the origin of the word Dexter? Dexter is originated from Latin language, which means right hand. It means when you find this word Dexter as a prefix added in any word, so it always refers to the right hand. Here note has been provided to you. Right hand is considered skillful or productive, and left hand is considered as unskillful or unproductive. Here I am giving you note because before starting it is important to know the meaning of the right hand. As you all know that when any child in our country, any child, he or she, it writes from his right hand, so it is considered as it is very good. But if any person who started writing from left hand, he is always asked to write from his right hand. So right hand in our tradition, in our religion, in our country, right hand is considered skillful or productive, and left hand is considered unskillful or unproductive. Example, first I am taking an example also so that the meaning of right hand and left hand can be more clear to you. Example is left hand salutations. It is an idiom, left hand salutations, which means insulting someone. When you give your salutations to any person, you always salute the person with your right hand, but here the idiom is left hand salutation. So if you want to insult someone, just give him a left hand salutation, which is considered as a bad or insulting someone. Next word is dexterous. Dexterous word is the words which ends with ous suffixes. It is always considered as they are adjective words. So dexterous, I told you the meaning of the word dexter, which means most probably the word's meaning is related to right hand or some skill or productive. So the word dexterous, it is itself an adjective which means skillful. The synonyms of some of these synonyms of dexterous is given here. The first synonym is adept, or the second one is apt. Third word is dexterity. Dexterity, it is also related to the word dexter or dexterous. So the word dexterity, when you see this word, when you find this type of word, you will always come to know, because you know that the meaning is always related to some skill or skillful. So when you see the word dexterity, it means it is giving or hinting you that the meaning should be related to skill or right hand. So the word dexterity is noun, and the meaning of the word dexterity is skill. Next comes fourth word, which is sinister. We discussed about the right hand, so here it is important to discuss about the left hand also, so that the meanings can be more clear to you. So the fourth word is sinister. This word is also adjective word, which means left hand. Sinister is a French word which means left hand. Next comes adroit. Adroit is a word which has been originated from the French language, which means right hand or skillful. It is, you can say, adroit is synonymous to the word dexterous. Adroit is synonymous to the word dexterous. Adroit, it is taken from the French language, which means right. It also means right hand, which is considered as skillful. Next comes sixth word, which is gauche. Gauche is adjectival word, and it is synonymous to the word sinister, because the meaning of the word sinister was left hand, and here the meaning of the word gauche, it is also the meaning of this word is also left hand, which means unskillful, inept, awkward. So students, when you see or find such type of words, it means the word dexter, dexterous, dexterity, it is always related to skill or skillful or the right hand. And when you find word sinister, adroit, sinister or gauche, it is always related to the left hand. Adroit is related to right hand. Now comes, there are some words which are related, which are based on miss, miso, misia. All such words are used as prefix. When these prefixes are added in English words, the meaning of these English words changes. So here, starting with the word missing, M-I-S-E-I-N, missing. Missing is a word which has been originated from the Greek languages, which means hate, scorn, disdain, dislike. It means मिसेन वर्ड, व्हेन यू सी द वर्ड मिसेन, इसका सीधा मतलब होगा कि आप किसी से हेट कर रहे हो, या स्कॉन या डांटना हो, किसी को स्कोल्ड करना हो, डिसडेन करना हो, किसी को डिसलाइक करना हो, ऐसी मीनिंग मिसेन वर्ड को देखने के बाद आपको लगेगा. बट हियर नोट इज गिवन अगेन that here some words are given, three words are given: misconduct, misbehavior, misfortune. Why such type of words are given here? Because here you can see, you can find that mis prefix is added before conduct, behavior, fortune. So you can be confused that maybe these words, the meaning of such words will be indicating to the meaning of hate, scorn, disdain or dislike. But it is wrong, because these words are not originated from the Greek languages. Misconduct, misbehavior, misfortune, all these words are English originated words. These words are completely English words, because first these words are made up of two different words, which, for example, first is miss, the second one is conduct. Misconduct. Second word is miss plus behavior. Third word is miss plus fortune. So these words, these three words, or there are many more words which are based on miss, which are made upon miss, using this miss prefix in English literature or English dictionary. So these words, this indicates, in these English prefixes words, it means bad or wrong. So for example, misbehavior, it means some bad behavior. But the Greek originated word miss, it means hate or scorn or disdain or dislike. Note, the above words are having miss prefix in here. The note has been provided to you, which is explaining the difference between the missing word, which has been originated from the Greek languages, and the miss word, which has been used here as an English prefix before the words misconduct, misbehavior, misfortune. The above words are having prefixes. The above words are having miss prefixes in, here it has been misprint, it should be here. The above words are having miss prefix in it, but they are not related to the Greek origin. As I told you that these words are English words, and they are not connected with that miss word which has been originated from the Greek languages. So the Greek origin mis word, it means hate, to hate someone, to scorn someone, to disdain someone, or to dislike. But the meaning of this mis, which has been used before the English words, it simply means that some bad or wrong meaning has been provided to you. Clear? Next comes the word. Second word is misotheist. Now, if you see this word misotheist, when you divide these words into two sections, you find that mis is first word and the second word is theist. Misotheist. Misotheist, here the mis prefix is originated from the Greek languages, which means hate, scorn, disdain, dislike. Theist. From the earlier classes, you always learnt the meaning of theist and atheist. That the meaning of the word theist here, both are provided, the meaning of theist, atheist and pantheist. So the meaning of the word theist, first let me very clear to you that the meaning of the theist word is a person who believes in the existence of God. Theist is that type of person who always believes that in the existence of God. Theist वो person होते हैं जो हमेशा ये विश्वास रखते हैं कि हाँ God exist करता है, वो है, कहीं ना कहीं उसकी existence है. Atheist. Atheist is that person who does not believe in the existence of God. It means theist is just opposite to atheist person. Atheist वो लोग होते हैं, वो पर्सन्स होते हैं जो गॉड की एग्जिस्टेंस में ही बिलीव नहीं करते, वो विश्वास ही नहीं करते कि गॉड की एग्जिस्टेंस है या नहीं है, उनका ये मानना होता है कि गॉड एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है. नेक्स्ट कम्स पैंथीस्ट. पैंथीस्ट इज दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन्स हु बिलीव्स दैट गॉड एग्जिस्ट इन ऑल पार्टिकल्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. इट मीन्स ये ऐसे टाइप के लोग होते हैं, पैंथीस्ट पर्सन्स वो टाइप के लोग होते हैं जो ये विश्वास रखते हैं, जो ये बिलीव करते हैं कि गॉड जो है वो यूनिवर्स के एक एक पार्टिकल, हर पार्टिकल में प्रेजेंट है, एग्जिस्ट करता है. सो हियर यू आर प्रोवाइडेड विथ 3 डिफरेंट वर्ड्स हैविंग 3 डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स. फर्स्ट इज थीस्ट, द सेकेंड वर्ड इज एथीस्ट and the third word is pantheist. Theist, which means a person who believes in the existence of God. Second one is atheist, a person who does not believe in the existence of God. And the third one is pantheist. He is such type of person who believes that God exists in all particles of the universe. So after remembering, after knowing the meaning of these 3 words, we will come to our word misotheist. Here the word is made up of 2 words. First is mis and mis or miso. The second word is theist. The meaning of mis or miso, I told you that the word which has miso or mis prefix before it, it always indicates the meaning is of hate, disdain, scorn. It means theist, a person who believes in the existence of God. It means misotheist is that type of person who is hater of the existence of God. मिसोथीस्ट वो लोग होते हैं जो गॉड की को ही हेट करते हैं, उनकी एग्जिस्टेंस को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते हैं, वो हेट करते हैं कि गॉड है ही नहीं. नेक्स्ट कम्स एग्नोस्टिक. हियर वन मोर वर्ड हैज़ बीन गिवन टू यू. एग्नोस्टिक विच इज़ ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू गॉड and the above 3 words, atheist, theist, pantheist and the agnostic. Agnostic is that type of person who believes that God is unknowable. Agnostic persons are those type of persons who believes that God is unknowable. It means agnostic वो persons होते हैं जो ये विश्वास करते हैं कि God को कभी जाना ही नहीं जा सकता, कोई उसे उन्हें जान नहीं सकता है, वो unknowable होते हैं, उन्हें कोई भी जान नहीं सकता है. So these are 4 words which are related to God, existence of God. Theist is that type of person who believes in the existence of God. Atheist is that type of person who doesn't believe in the existence of God. Pantheist वो लोग होते हैं जो ये विश्वास करते हैं कि God वर्ल्ड के, यूनिवर्स के हर पार्टिकल में एग्जिस्ट करता है. एग्नोस्टिक वो पर्सन्स होते हैं जो ये बिलीव करते हैं कि गॉड को जाना ही नहीं जा सकता है, वो unknowable हैं. And the meaning of the word mesotheist is hater of God. It means mesotheist and atheist. There is a difference between mesotheist and atheist. थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. मीसोथीस्ट वो होते हैं जो गॉड को हेट करते हैं. हेट, देखिए, हेट करना और एग्जिस्टेंस को बिलीव नहीं करना दो अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं. दीज आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. वेयर एथिस्ट आर दोज पर्सन्स हु डजंट बिलीव इन द, उन्हें लगता है कि गॉड है ही नहीं, एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करते हैं, तो वो बिलीव ही क्यों करें. बट मीसोथीस्ट वो पर्सन्स होते हैं जो ये बिलीव करते हैं कि गॉड एग्जिस्ट तो करता है, पर वो उसे पसंद नहीं करके वो उससे हेट करते हैं. वो गॉड को लव ना करके उसे हेट करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द वेरी माइन्यूट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द वर्ड मीसोथीस्ट एंड atheist. Most probably, I think, I hope that the meaning of these 4 or 5 words is now clear to you all. Next comes the third word, which is misanthropist. Misanthropist. Here the word misanthropist, it is made up of 3 different words. First is mis prefix, which is of Greek origin word. Next is anthropist. Anthropist is a word which has been originated from the Greek languages, which means mankind. Anthropist, here, anthropist is a word which has been taken from Greek language, which means mankind. And in the first lecture, I told you the words which ends with ist always indicates a person who. So the word third, misanthropist, is made up of 3 words, 3 different words. First is mis, second is anthropist, anthropos, and the third one is ist suffix. Now coming to the meaning of the word. Mis, I told you that mis, when it is originated, it is from the Greek originated word mis. It means hate or scorn, disdain, dislike. Anthropist, I told you that anthropist is a word which has been taken from the Greek language anthropos, which means mankind. Anthropos. So here the word misanthropist, it is indicating that a person who hates mankind. Misanthropist वो persons होते हैं जो होल मैनकाइंड को ही हेट करते हैं. पूरी की पूरी मैनकाइंड, मानव जाति, इसी को ही हेट करने लगते हैं. सो मिसएंथ्रोपिस्ट इज दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन्स हु हेट्स द मैनकाइंड एज अ होल. Here another word has been given to you, anthropology, which is related to the word anthropos. That's why I have given to you here. Anthropology, it is a study or the science of mankind. Next comes the word mesogamist. It is very interesting word, mesogamist. Here the word is mesogamist. Word number 4, mesogamist. Again the word is made up of 2 or 3 words. First is meso, second one is gamist. Gamist, meso, I told you the meaning. Meso means hate, scorn, disdain, dislike. And the gamist word comes, the second word is gamist, which is taken from the Greek language, Greek word gamos, which means marriage. So the meaning of the word is more clear to you, that first meso means hater or scorn, disdain, dislike, and the gamist word marriage. So the meaning of the word mesogamist is a person who hates marriage. मीसोगैमिस्ट वो पर्सन्स होते हैं, वो लोग होते हैं जो मैरिजेस से हेट करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन यू फाइंड एनी वर्ड, एनी इंग्लिश वर्ड हैविंग गैमिस्ट वर्ड इन इट, the word always indicate you that it has some meaning related to marriage. Clear? So mesogamist, the meaning of the word mesogamist is marriage. Sorry, the person who hates marriage. The meaning of the word gamos is marriage. Now comes the 5th and the last word of the video, which is misogynist. Misogynist. Again, the word is made up of 2 or 3 words. First is meso, second one is gynist. IST ending words always indicate IST ending suffixes word. It always indicates a person who. So the meaning of the word is definitely related to a person who. Meso's meaning, the meaning of the word meso is hate. It means in this word misogynist there is a meaning that a person who hates. The word only left is gynist. What is the meaning of the word gynist? If we know the meaning of the word gynist, the meaning of the word misogynist is more clear to you. So the word gynist is taken from the word gyne, which is Greek originated word, which means women. So the meaning of the word misogynist is a person who hates women. मिसोगाइनिस्ट वो पर्सन होते हैं जो विमेन से ही हेट करते हैं. मिसोगाइनिस्ट, इट इज़ ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम द ग्रीक लैंग्वेज वर्ड गाइनो और गाइनी विच मीन्स विमेन. द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड मिसो मीन्स हेटर, अ पर्सन हु हेट्स विमेन. Yes. So the above we learnt and studied the words misogamist and misogynist. Gamist, I told you the meaning of the word gamist. Gamist, when you find such word gamist in any English word, then these words will indicate some marriage, meaning of marriage in it. And when the word English word is having gynist, it means it is indicating women, meaning of women in it. So the word misogynist or misogamist means hater of marriage and misogynist means hater of women. Here there are some words provided which are based on gamist and gynist, but these words are having different meanings. So before let's study and learn what is the meaning of these few words. The first word monogamist. First word is monogamist. The word monogamist is made up of 3 words. First is mono, the second one is gamist, and mono is prefix which is added to the word gamist. Mono is first word, second is gamist, and ist, I told you earlier also, when the word is having ist suffix in it, it means it will definitely give the meaning of a person who. So the word monogamist, let's very clear here in the very first, let's clear that the meaning of the word is the meaning of the word mono is single or one. So the word monogamist, mono plus gamist, the meaning of the word mono is single or one or ones, and the word gamist means marriage. The meaning of the word monogamist is a person who gets married once. It means when you find the word monogamist anywhere, the meaning of the word is indicating a person who gets married once. तो मोनोगेमिस्ट इस वर्ड की मीनिंग होती है वो पर्सन, वो लोग जो एक बार शादी करते हैं, बस एक बार शादी करते हैं लाइफ में, ओनली वन टाइम्स दे गेट मैरिड. नेक्स्ट कम्स बायगेमिस्ट. So as the earlier word, it is made up of 2 different words. Here it is also, the word bigamist is also made up of 2 words. First is bi, the second one is gamist. And as I told you earlier, the meaning of the word gamist is marriage, is related to marriage, and the meaning of the word prefix bi is 2. So the meaning of the word bigamist is a person who gets married twice. इसका मतलब होता है बाईगेमिस्ट वो लोग होते हैं जो लोग अपनी लाइफ में 2 बार शादियां करते हैं. नेक्स्ट कम्स द वर्ड पॉलीगैमिस्ट. The word polygamist is made up of 2 words. First is poly, the second one is gamist. And the word polygamist meaning you all are aware now the meaning of the word gamist is related to marriage, and the word, the the prefix poly, it means, poly means different, many, lots of. So the word polygamist, it completely means a person who gets married many times. Here the word polygamist means a person who gets married many times. तो पॉलीगैमिस्ट का मतलब वो होता है कि वो लोग जो अपनी लाइफ में बहुत बार शादियाँ करते हैं. सो वी लर्न 3 डिफरेंट वर्ड्स विच आर बेस्ड ऑन मैरिज. फर्स्ट इज monogamist, second one is polygamist, first is monogamist, second one is bigamist, and the third one is polygamist. Mono means single, so it means the person who marries once in his or her lifetime. Bigamist, bi means two or twice, so the meaning of the word bigamist is a person who gets married twice in his lifetime or her lifetime. And the third word is polygamist. Poly means many times or lots of times, so the meaning of the word polygamist is a person who gets married many times. Now comes the next word, monogynist. Monogynist, mono plus gynist. In the I told you the meaning of the word gynist. Gynist is made up of the word gyne, which means women, and here women is used as an indicating meaning. Gynist means women. Here it has been taken as a wife. So I told you the meaning of mono means one, and the word gynist means women or wife. So the meaning of the word monogynist is a person who has one wife. Clear? वो person monogynist वो लोग होते हैं जिनकी एक वाइफ होती है. Next comes bigynist. Bi is, again the word bigynist is made up of 2 words, bi plus gynist. Bigynist, bi means twice or two, and gynist means women or wife. So the word bigynist, it as a whole, it means a person who has 2 wives. Monogynist, bigynist. Bigynist वो लोग होते हैं, वो मेल पर्सन्स होते हैं जिनकी 2 वाइफ्स होती हैं. Next comes polygynist. Polygynist, again made up of 2 different words, poly plus gynist. Poly means, I told you, many, and lots of, or lots of. Gynist means women or wife. So the meaning of the word polygynist is a person who has many wives. Clear? So again we learned 3 different words which are based on gynist word. First is monogynist, second is bigynist, and the third one is polygynist. Monogynist. It is very simple to clarify the meanings of such words, because now you are aware about the meanings of mono, bi and poly, and you are also aware about the meaning of gynist. So it is very clear that monogynist word means a person who has one wife, bigynist means a person who has 2 wives, and the third one is polygynist, which means a person who has many wives. Now comes the another word. Here mono, bi and poly is going on, the words which are based on these prefixes. So I had taken another word which is made up of mono, bi and poly. So the word, another word, next word is monoandrist. The word monoandrist is made up of 2 different words, mono plus andrist. And andrist is a Greek word which means andrist word, it is a Greek word, it means man. When you find this word andrist or andros anywhere in English, it will always give you the meaning of man. So the word monoandrist, the word monoandrist is made up of 2 different words. First is mono, the second one is andrist. Now the meaning of the word monoandrist is mono, one or single, and the meaning of the word andrist is related to a man. So here The meaning of the word monoandrist is a woman who has one husband. तो मोनोएंड्रिस्ट वो विमेन होती हैं जिनके एक हस्बैंड होते हैं. मोनो मीन्स सिंगल और वन, एंड्रिस्ट मीन्स मैन. So a person who has one husband is called monoandrist. Person means a woman who has one husband is known as monoandrist. Now comes the word bi-andrist. Again the word is made up of two words, bi plus andrist. Bi means two or twice, and the word andrist means man. A person who has two husbands or two men. Here husband is again used as a indicating word. So the meaning of the word bi-andrist is a woman having two husbands. Next comes polyandrist. Poly means many and andrist means, I told you, man. So the meaning of the word polyandrist is a woman having many husbands. So again we learned three different words which ends with the suffixes ist and having andrist word in it. First is monoandrist, second is biandrist, and the third one is polyandrist. First, monoandrist. Mono means single, andrist means man. A woman who has one husband is called monoandrist. Biandrist is those type of women who are having two husbands, and polyandrist are that women who are having many husbands. So the example of polyandrist is Draupadi. You all know that Draupadi had 5 husbands, more than 2 husbands. It means she had 5 husbands, or that's why she was called polyandrist. So students, in this video, today's video, we learned most probably 20 to 30 words. The first word was based on dexter, which means right hand or skillful, and the second we also learned the words which are based on dexter word, dexterous, dexterous, and next comes sinister, which meant left hand or unskillful, and then comes the words which are based on miso, etc. And then we learned the words which are based on gamist and gynist. So student, this is today's video. Hope you all had enjoyed the video and learned added more and more words in your knowledge. Try to find out more words which are based on andrist, gamist and gynist, and let me know your responses in the form of suggestions and comments. Please do like the video. Thank you.